Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to Pramana PU College online classes. My name is Jayendra Reddy. I am English lecturer and my experience is 20 years. Today I am very happy to introduce myself because yours batch will be 21st year batch. A lot of so many obstacles it has taken in this year, and as you all know that viral pandemic disease has spread and so many things is going to happen, and whoever taken admission in science, your decision is excellent. See, up to SSLC, whatever you studied, it is common to everyone. When you come to this PUC after 10th standard, and there will be so many courses will be there. Maybe few students they will go for arts, commerce, science, and then even after 10th diploma, ITI. So like that, according to their own choice they will select. But science students taking a decision to do science, it's really good, but what you have studied in SSLC will not be like this, means like that here. So you have to work hard, and maybe in our college we have combination PCMB and PCMCS, computer science. Two combination, you can go for PCMB, PCMC, means computer science. When you come to language, here English means my subject is compulsory, and second, maybe you can go for choice. You can take it Kannada, Hindi, Sanskrit, Urdu, you can take it. So here English is compulsory. Then today let us take means bridge course. See, bridge course, what you studied, how much your syllabus in SSLC is related to this PUC first year. Maybe all exercises will not be there from grammar part. New topic will be there in PUC first year, and some may be related, so that your mode, your mind to be deviated. We have to drag you to come for our courses. So that is what here bridge. What you have studied, how much syllabus that is related to in our PUC and what are you are going to study in PUC first year, that I am going to give in a detail today. Maybe what in English there will be what here prose, poetry, grammar. Then here in grammar some topic may be related, but in prose that lessons will be what a difference, and even poems will be what change. Some chapters will be what new. But when you come to PUC first year in English, you have two books. See here, English, you have two books, course book and work book. 50 marks for this and 50 marks for this. Marks, 50 marks. So that's what here. So English course book 50 marks, workbook 50 marks. Course book is nothing but here textbook. You will have what prose as well as poems in this course book, 50 marks, and workbook for that also 50 marks. A grammar will be there, portion of grammar will be there in this workbook. And another one thing you have to remember, whatever you have studied, first standard to 10th standard, maybe we can call it period 10 years. But here in PUC, pre-university, PUC, pre-university college, this 2 years is very important in your life. First year as well as second year, you have to work hard in such a way that what the dream you will be dreaming, if those dreams want to come to true, you have to struggle hard. That is what here means. In these 2 years, you have to take it as a challenge, because think it that this year 2019-20, more than 3.5 lakhs students, they have written exams, appeared, they have written. Not for the year, 60 students in class. Think it all over Karnataka. In that, maybe some 1.5 lakh science students, maybe 1.5 lakh, near to 2 lakhs art students, commerce students. Every year more than 3.5 lakh students in between. Not exact figure here, they are they will write, they are going to write exam. But you have to compete. Keep in your mind that you have to compete for those what the strength in our Karnataka they are going to write. Keeping that what strength, you have to work in classes. See, just telling that I have taken science, I am doing science, no. You have to work hard. And it is really excellent, beautiful, I can say, if you have taken science. Why means you have bundle of opportunities after PUC second year. Any course, you can go for any course, not like other subjects, maybe arts, commerce. Science students will have bundle of opportunities, and one thing, keep it in your mind, before that your percentage. It will, your percentage, your ranking in NEET, JEE, CET will decide your destiny. That is the what here. So to get maybe those seats, you have to work hard, not wasting time. Whatever the topic they will take in your class, on that day itself you have to complete, then it will be so easy. You can recall afterwards. Sit in class, maybe listen online classes. When offline class will start, you have to sit in class and you have to listen carefully, you have to concentrate, whatever the topics they will take, on that day itself you have to complete. See the textbook, go through the textbook, read those one. You just compare what the lecturers have taught you and what the topic and content they have given in your textbooks. Remember, nothing is impossible. So that is the what here. And another one thing, you have to change your what? Method, skills. Maybe reading, maybe writing, maybe grasping, everything. Grasping of what? Skill, grasping skill, reading skill, listening skill, and you have to concentrate. All those you have to change. What it was there in previous in your life, these 2 years will not be like that. Maybe we lecturers or parents, they are not going to. We are not going to write exam. Parents, they are not going to write exams. Students, you are going to write exam. One side parents will support, other side lecturers will teach you, and everything, those all responsibility will be on your shoulder. Take it, receive that, and then do well. Already I told you, so many opportunities you will get. But to get those opportunities, your percentage. You believe it or not, only in engineering, you have 122 branches. Whichever branch, if you are interested, you can go until you to get a good percentage and ranking. To get that, you have to dedicate. So that is what here, my dear students, it takes time, maybe 1 month. It may take time you to involve in this college courses, means first year courses. Whichever subject it may be, little bit time it will take. No need to worry. And no subject is tough if you understand. So you try to understand. If you not understood, understand. You have to approach and ask them. We are here to clarify. So those are the some qualities, discipline you have to develop in this 2 years college. Maybe you may be thinking that we will be so free after 10 years. We will become free birds, like that you may be thinking. No free bird. Until your education completes, you cannot say we are free birds. That more responsibility will come. More syllabus will be there. You have to work hard. It is 21st century. Getting job is so tough. So we have to struggle. We have to get good percentage. So that is what here. And one thing, don't be so proud that we have scored 80 percentage, 90 percentage in SSLC, like that. Only that SSLC percentage will help you to get admission. You are not going to get nowadays job on SSLC. Those were the days 50 years before. When they complete SSLC, it was so proud. All the people of society, maybe village, they have to appreciate that he has passed matriculation. But nowadays, it's only to get admission. When you come to second year, PUC first and second year, these 2 years, they are very important in your life. They will show direction of life, your life, which way to go. So in your mind, if you want to become, maybe everyone, I may not say everyone is going to become doctor or engineers, whatever you want to become, what you have kept in your mind, to fulfill those to become, then you have to work hard. You have to score, and these are the things you have to keep in your mind, then move. So when we come to this English in PUC first year, maybe second year, so 100 marks will be there. So passing in English 35. You should get minimum 35 to pass. And language, 2 languages will be there. One is English, another one which you have taken, maybe Kannada, Hindi, whatever it may be. 35 in English, 35 in Kannada or Hindi. If you get, then only what? Just pass. So here 35 in English and 35 in Kannada, Hindi, whatever it may be, Sanskrit. Then total here 70 marks. This between what? Here in these 2 languages you should score minimum 35 both. When we calculate 70 marks, see, if not, another option 40 30 70 marks. Suppose if you got 40 marks in English, 30 in Kannada or Hindi, Sanskrit, which language you have taken. So 40, 30, 70. Even this, if you get it, then you will be not considered fail. 35, 40 and 30, and 30 year will not be considered if you got 40 in English. So both this, when we calculate 70 marks. Another one thing, maybe you got 70 marks in English, 29 in some other language. So here total marks 99. You will be what? Fail. So 29, 70. So minimum you must get 40, 30 or 35, 35. In language I am telling. In this what? The languages you have taken, 2 languages which you have taken. Like that, 35, 35, 40, 30. Then you will be what? Just pass. Scoring 80, 90. Then you have to work hard. Passing is so easy. Getting 90 plus is so tough. It's not easy. Specifically in languages. Every year there will be what? History. That scoring 100 out of 100 in other languages. But in English, it's very difficult to get 100 out of 100. You may ask why, but that rules will be there. Even a small single mistake, they may reduce marks. So what happens? One example here in English, I tell you, after 90 plus, suppose if you crossed 90 above, maybe I am the evaluator, assistant examiner. If I given what? 91 or 92, got it, because I am not to give. If you write, I will be given what marks. Then on my top there will be DC, deputy what? Examiner, DC, and subject expert. Once if you cross 90, all these DC expert will go through your paper. You have to be careful. I am just now I told you, getting 35 is easy, getting more than 90 is tough. Suppose once it has happened, so it was really so good, that letter in second year, that job application, 5 marks will be there. For that, 5 out of 5, he got it. But expert came and he gone through that letter, and even water from address, to address, date, salutation, content of the body, complimentary, biodata, everything without a single mistake. Even not a one letter I have not found in that what? Job application. So 5 out of 5 got it. He got it. So what happened? Expert, he gone through that paper, that letter, and he pointed me that you have given 5 out of 5, but some mistake is there. Have you observed like that? He told, no sir, it is completely, see sir, even spelling there is no any mistake. Even capital letter, sentence formation, and even the steps, that 10 steps from address to address, everything it is. But one thing that expert observed, and he pointed, he rounded that mistake, and what I have given 5 marks, he reduced 4. That small mistake, what that student has done means, while writing yours faithfully, XXX, in that yours faithfully, in letter when you write yours, their apostrophe should not come. But that student, he has done what mistake? Yours, that apostrophe was there. For that 1 marks. See, why I want to tell this example means, it's very difficult to score 100 out of 100 in English. You may be telling, I have written 1.5 page, 1 page, like that. Here the question will not come about page. What they asked, to the point you have to write. So that is what here I want to tell you. So this is what here in detail I will tell about this bridge course in my next class. But you should have a clear picture what we are going to study in PUC first year in English. It is so simple. You have 2 books. One is course book, another is workbook. Course book is nothing but here your textbook. In the text book, 14 chapters, 13 to 14 chapters will be there. In that, prose and poems, for that 50 marks for that. And when you come to this what workbook, it is related to what? Grammar, only grammar, simple grammar. I tell you next class that what you have studied in SSLC. Some this what exercise means chapters, grammar, that will be there in PUC first year also, and for that 50 marks. And another one thing here, when you come to this what PUC, whatever you write, think it and write it. Your handwriting, your language, your punctuation marks, everything will play very important role to get good marks. So here some skills you have to change. Your answer paper, answer script should be there in such a way, according to question paper, whatever the questions they will give, in that form you have to give the answers. And that presentation, when they see your presentation, they have to feel, evaluators have to feel that your presentation is excellent. Like that they should feel. So for that, what are the steps you should take? That you have to improve. Now past is past. Okay, I have listened and even I have read high school life is golden life, like that they will say. Let it be. It is past. Don't recall again and again that we have done like this, like that. I got this much percentage. See about future. ನಿಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಗುರಿ ಮುಟ್ಟಬೇಕು. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಗುರಿ ಏನಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಗುರಿಯನ್ನು ತಲುಪಬೇಕಾದರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಶ್ರಮ ಬಹಳ ಮುಖ್ಯ. ದ್ವಿತೀಯ ಅಥವಾ ಪ್ರಥಮ ಮತ್ತು ದ್ವಿತೀಯ PUC ಅಷ್ಟು ಸುಲಭ ಅಲ್ಲ. ನೀವು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಶ್ರದ್ಧೆಯಿಂದ ನಿಷ್ಠೆಯಿಂದ ಕಲಿಯಬೇಕು. ಯಾವುದೇ ವಿಷಯ ಇರಲಿ, ಅದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಗಂಭೀರತೆಯಿಂದ ಶ್ರದ್ಧೆಯಿಂದ ಕಲಿತಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಿಮಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಸ್ಕೋರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಗುರಿಗಳು, ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿಯ ಕನಸುಗಳು ಬಹಳ ಇರ್ತವೆ. ಅದೊಂದು ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿ. ಬಟ್ ಆ ಪೋಷಕರ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿಯ ಕರ್ತವ್ಯ ಕೂಡ, ನನ್ನ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಇದಾಗ್ತಾರೆ ಅದಾಗ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತಂದು ಏನೇನೋ ಕನಸು ಕಾಣ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಬಟ್ ಆ ಕನಸು ನನಸಾಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಶ್ರದ್ಧೆಯಿಂದ, ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಭಕ್ತಿಯಿಂದ ಓದಬೇಕು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡಿಸಿಪ್ಲಿನ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಇನ್ ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಿಸಿಪ್ಲಿನ್, whatever you take will not come first. Then at the same time, effort, hard work. With this effort, hard work, you have to put what a discipline in that. Then only you will get what the target you have kept in your mind to get the percentage. That percentage you will get. Think it. Now that ability it has come in you. Think it in all directions. and what the course you have taken, science, it is really good and it will help in your future life. Okay, today I will stop here, then in my next class, so that a bridge course, whatever read in high school in grammar and what it is there in PVC first year, that I am going to take in my next class. Thank you, my dear students. Thank you.